Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Install Bridge Mirror and give it notification access, then allow auto start so it runs reliably. Next, connect both devices on the same Wi-Fi or pair via Bluetooth. This ensures low latency and reliable delivery. Once done, open the app and tap Add Device. You're creating the trust link. Make sure to allow any battery optimization overrides so the service isn't killed, because otherwise notifications may drop on. Now you configure exactly what gets mirrored. You'll pick apps to mirror and toggle each app switch so you only forward relevant alerts. Then set filters, include keywords, sender ID, priority levels, or time windows so noise is reduced and you receive the signals that matter. Once filters are in place, choose an alert style: banner, sound, vibration, or a silent log. This lets you match urgency with how the receiving device behaves, which prevents missed or annoying duplicates. To finish, run 2-3 test notifications from different apps so you can verify timing, content, and formatting on the receiving device. If you notice delays or missed alerts, restart both devices and toggle airplane mode for a quick network reset, then retry. Make sure Bridge Mirror is whitelisted in battery optimization and background data. This is the most common failure point. If problems persist, repair the devices or clear the app cache. Then repeat the tests to confirm stable mirroring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.